Hello, today I'm making some barbecued Boston butt. I only use 3 ingredients. We have Korean barbecue sauce, the Gabby Korean barbecue sauce, and then we have some sweet raised brown sugar. I use a half a cup of each, mix it together. Just make sure it's all mixed up good. And if you notice, I'm going to be using a smart pot today instead of a crock pot. I love my smart pot, and it makes it so tender. Now I'm going to get my Boston butt, and it is frozen. I vacuum seal just about everything. I put this inside the pot because I don't like my meat touching the bottom. Then we're going to stick that right in there. Now, I'm going to take my barbecue sauce, make sure it's still mixed up good. And we're going to pour it all over the top of my Boston butt. Now, the reason I use this recipe is one day it's all I had. My son likes Korean, and it's all I had one day, so I decided, okay, I'll just mix them all together. Well, it turned out so well, even the guys that worked with him tasted, wanted some of it, so I had to start using this. So we're going to put our lid on, lock it, make sure you pull this back. We're going to take it over here and plug it in. And we're going to cook it for about, you don't have to cook it really long, but I'm going to cook it for about 45 minutes. And then we'll be back whenever it's finished, and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, now that we've got our Boston butt cooked, which I need to make a retraction on it. When I put it in there frozen, I said I cooked it 45 minutes. Actually, I had to cook an hour and a half because it was frozen. Had it not been frozen, it had been 45 minutes. So I wanted to clear that up. Now that it's done, I'm going to put it on my shredder that my daughter got me. First time I've used it, so let's see. Because this is going to be some good barbecue sandwiches this time. And look at there. Cut it up really good. Going to put it in a plate. There we go. Pretty good little gadget. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get my warm bun out. And now that we got this all chopped up pretty good, we're going to put it on our bun, and you can just pile it up as much as you want. The more you put on there, the better it tastes. Now, you can always save some of your barbecue sauce, add more to it. Some people like a lot of sauce, some people don't. I happen to be one of those that does not like a whole lot of sauce. But this sauce is pretty good since it's that mixed Korean and sweet baby rice. And there is our 3-ingredient barbecue sauce. Barbecue. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you try it. The Korean barbecue sauce really is good. Thank you. See you in the next video.